Hey there, Alex Kidman here with my latest unboxing of what might be the strangest gadget I'm going to review this year. This is the EBO Air2, a smart companion robot that's meant to be part security camera, part friend to your pet when you're not around. I have this feeling my cats are not going to be all that impressed, but we shall have to wait and see. But first of all, of course, I've got to get it out of the box. Now, if you've watched any of my unboxings, you know I just kind of go for this. I do have scissors handy because this thing does still have its plastic on it, so that's kind of step one. But yeah, if anything goes wrong during this unboxing, well, frankly, you're going to see it. But hey, plastic coming off. We're doing well enough so far. The EBO Air2 is not an inexpensive little robot. It does look kind of cute from the outside of the box, but it certainly, it should for its price, I suppose. Okay, so we're opening at the top. And we have a very thick booklet. Do people still read instruction manuals? Oh my, that's quite small, but multilingual. So excellent if I ever did learn Russian, which haven't done so far, but you know, watch this space. Very small warranty card made of paper. If I was being pedantic, I'd say that's not a card, that's a piece of paper. And then a nice big old chunk of polystyrene. I mean, do we need to see any more? Isn't the polystyrene exciting enough? What? It's not? You want more? Oh, okay then. Let's have a look at our robot friend. Aha, I told you. It's actually a charger, although, impressive, Australian charger, because quite often when these things get shipped to me, they get shipped with the international charger. This is cool. I've got plug adapters, I've got step-down transformers, but getting an Australian plug is at least a reasonable sign that it should work well with Australian electrons, that is, the Australian voltage settings, and not fry itself. Let's put that to the side, and then let's get on with... oh, this is coming out rather oddly. Okay, I will draw out the EBO 2 itself, which it's a ball. It's a little BB9-esque ball with plastic wrap around it. Is there an edge to that? Doesn't feel like there is, actually. I think I'm going to have to brute force my way through that one. Violence. Violence is not the answer, children, but maybe it is today. Yeah, okay, that is pretty cute. Those treads are going to be real interesting on some of the carpet I've got. Again, watch this space, because obviously I've got to do a full review of this thing properly. What else do we have in the box? We have its base, which also has the connector out. Is it a custom connector? Which no, it's actually just, of course not. Of course not. I've seen the plug. What am I talking about, idiot Kidman? It's just standard USB-A, which is reasonable and decent. Now, obviously, I suppose, because, yet there is really nothing else in that box, I had better get to setting up young EBO Air2 here. And once I've done it, I can get to reviewing it. So stay tuned for the full review.